What's up, y'all? It's Oh-Dee. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with some soap, some non-white soap with a bamboo edge brush, and just lather that onto there. Make sure it's thick rather than thin and soapy. Brush it through your brows and try to shape your brows with the brush, okay? So after that, you're gonna go ahead and wipe them with some makeup wipes to kind of get rid of some of that soapy residue. Otherwise, it will leave a white cast, okay? Okay, so take you a concealer that is maybe 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. I like to put a line down the middle of my brow so I can try to pinpoint where it should start, and it helps it be a little more even rather than you just trying to randomly fill or randomly line your brows with a concealer, you know? Try to perfect the line as much as you possibly can, because me personally, I like to blend it out like that and I don't like to disturb the line. So I'll be using this Vasanti eye buffer brush or concealer buffer brush, and just go ahead and pat. Don't sweep until you feel like it's blended enough. And you see how I'm blending it almost to the line, right? I don't like to actually disturb it. I don't like to blend over it. I want it to be clean and I want it to look just like that, okay? And same thing, blend out that middle part of your eyebrow and you should be fine. Alright, so go ahead and grab you an eyebrow brush, and you can either use the cap of your product, or I use this ring palette. And I don't know how to explain it, but you're going to see how I mix the product into the brush and make sure that the line or the brush is very thin, so the line is straight or whatever, or very, very skinny. And the way I like to fill in my brow, if I'm on the bottom part of my brow, I like to make sure that my brush faces like upward, or like I'm holding it from an angle, because otherwise if I kept the straight hand, it would have gone onto my concealer and it just would have been messy. And the same thing for the top, I like to put it in a downwards angle, so if anything, if it like puts any extra product that I don't need, it's gonna be in the brow rather than on my skin or anywhere else, okay? Alright, so once you're pretty much done with the filling in part, you're going to go ahead and grab a foundation that is your shade, or a concealer that is your shade. I know this is not my shade, so don't come for me, thank you very much. I personally like to use a concealer, but I couldn't find it, and so I just use my foundation. And you're just going to pretty much outline them the way you did the under part of your brows, except just on the top. And I just want to take this time to let you guys know, thank you for watching. If you did, I fuck with you tough, you're a real ass bitch. Thank you. Like, a lot. Love you. Bye.